One of the things I've been wanting to do is to teach Rose how to fly the drone. And I actually bought her own drone. She's got a Mavic Mini 2, but she's never flown it. So today I think we're going to try to learn to fly the drone. You think you can handle it?
I'll try. I'll try my best.
She watched some videos, so wish us luck. That's it. And then you lift that up.
What?
Just go like that. Yep.
Oh, okay.
So then the phone, I try to get, don't try to push the off button. So you got to have it over a little bit. I usually do it with two hands.
Like that.
There you go. Oh, we forgot one thing.
What?
Behind here, you got to take that out. That's got to come out. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh no.
We have to take your phone first. Take out the phone. Okay.
And that,
like that.
Yeah.
Give me the phone.
Nope. The phone's got to go that way.
Like that.
Oh, no. You got the...
Oh, okay.
There you go. Don't turn it off. Can't be right in the middle.
So... Oh, yeah. Got it.
Okay, so then the wire gets plugged into there.
Okay.
Okay, so now you got to get that back. Okay, and then push that once and then twice and hold it. Once. There you go, it's on. Very good. Then you want to wait till that comes on. That should automatically link with the app.
How to know that it's...
It should do it. Is that pushed in all the way?
I think so.
There it goes. Okay, then you want to take the cover off.
Hold it first.
No.
Oh, like that?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yay. And
then turn it over.
Like that?
And remember how you turned on the drone? Or how you turned on the controller? You do the same thing with the drone right there. 2 pushes. Nope, that's just 1 push. There you go. And then just... You want to go look and make sure you got like a safe place to take off the drone. Probably close to that sidewalk over there.